What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Building with Tyler. Today I'm going to be testing this beautiful motorcycle here that we made and decorated in the last two videos, and I'm going to be seeing just how fast we can get this thing to get up to. Let's get started. Alright guys, I just have this in. Now, okay, I just recharged it because I tried it maybe like 4 or 5 hours ago and it barely even crept along, so now we have a significantly charged battery.
And I'm gonna test it, so here we go.
No. Okay, so I have my phone in here. I'm gonna screen record this. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ride it down. I'm not gonna ride it down the driveway or else I might.
I was riding my bike, so don't go anywhere.
I'm at 2 whole miles per hour. Alright, this is about to get super sick. Okay. Yeah! 17 miles per hour! Here. Oh my goodness, I almost got up to 20 miles per hour.
Let me try.
20 miles per hour, guys. This thing got up to 20 miles per hour.
All because of my designing, of course.
Look at his hat.
Yeah!
Helmet and hat. Okay, you have to start it kind of fast. I want to take Jacob's bike, but that went awesome. I got up to 20 miles per hour. Yes. All right, guys, that got up to 20 miles per hour. Well, it got up to 19, and I almost got up to 20, but it's close enough. And it looks amazing. I think I'm going to end the video here. Make sure to leave down in the comments what you want me to make for my next video, and see you in the next one.